Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. So today on Bitcoin we are currently seeing a reaction to this red trend line. We had a pretty good bounce. This trend line was supporting also these wicks in previous times, and zooming on the 6-hour chart we can see, let me delete this circle, we can see that we are currently still trading in this big falling wedge, the orange one, but we can also mention that we just broke from this smaller falling wedge, which is the blue one. So what we can expect from Bitcoin today, this is all volatility regarding this Fed meeting happening today at 2 p.m. USA time. But for me, what I'm looking is the break of the 6-hourly EMA ribbon. We can see that we broke with a good body of 6-hour candle. So a follow-up through, I would like to see some volume coming in, or a retest of this falling wedge and actually going up to break both this falling wedge, the orange one, and the white line, which was the daily channel that we previously broke. On the higher time frames, we can see, let me delete some things here. On the daily time frame, we can see that this white line was previously holding us as support. So obviously it would mean that it would be a heavy resistance for us. So for now, since we are still below the 6-hourly EMA ribbon, I'm still not quite convinced with this break, and anything can happen today. After the meeting, everything could reverse to the downside. So I'm still holding my CHR, which is CHROMIA, short position. For those who didn't see the other videos, CHROMIA has broken from a fall, from a head and shoulders, which is this one. Okay, and also it is currently on the smaller time frames trading in this bearish flag. So for me, I will only reassess the situation if I see a break of this orange neckline or the bear flag to the upside. If I see some price action closing here, I would reassess the situation. But until then, I still believe that this bear flag will eventually break to the downside, which has an immediate short-term target of about 0.25, which, if we zoom out, 0.25 is our immediate first support area, which is here. So at that point I will take maybe 25% of my profit, but my target is all the way down here at the head and shoulder target, which is about 0.1270. So moving to the next altcoin, and these altcoins today we're just going briefly because, as I told you, after the Fed meeting everything could change drastically. But SCRT is still breaking this symmetrical triangle and also this cup and handle neckline, but I'm still not convinced since it is trading in the area of the previous support. So if we see a break below this support area, we could entertain the idea to short it somewhere, maybe here, with a stop loss somewhere here, targeting this channel here with a profit target of maybe the first 25% at this area of the first support area. Moving to SHIB, SHIB is currently trading on the smaller time frames in a descending triangle, as you can see. So a break to the downside from this descending triangle would furthermore conclude that SHIB is going to the downside, which of course we have also this high target of this symmetrical triangle breakout, which would shoot us down to 0.00001339. But if we see to the left side, we can clearly see that here we have no price action, no support area until we reach 0.00001011. So this would be a massive short trade. But again, we need to see this 4-hour break to the downside. After that, and given that Bitcoin, let me go to the Bitcoin chart, given that Bitcoin gets rejected and eventually breaks below this area, I would short SHIB with my eyes closed. Algorand had some pretty bullish price action yesterday, but still got rejected at this green channel. If we zoom out, we can see that this green channel is very important to this coin. We had resistance, 3 support areas here, and also some support and resistance areas here. So if we see a daily close below this green channel, on the smaller time frames I'm not interested in this coin because I didn't see anything, but if we see a rejection of this channel on the daily close, I would, and of course Bitcoin gets rejected, I would gladly short this coin until we reach this area here, somewhere like this. Moving to Alice, after this daily break of this pattern that I previously mentioned, on the smaller time frames, let me zoom to the 4-hour, it is trading in this bearish flag with a target of 3.78, which is in our green channel of the previous support area. So that matches exactly as a profit target where we should take our profit. KNC, these past days has broken from this ascending wedge, and currently I'm waiting for a possible retest of this green channel. Let me zoom in. A possible retest of this green channel, because right now it's a little bit too late to short it, but if we manage to test this area and get rejected, it would be a very, very good short until we reach maybe this area from the previous support areas. So that's it for today, guys. Kindly like and subscribe and leave a comment of any altcoins you need analysis on. See you tomorrow for the next trade.